Sendspark makes it easy to send personalized videos at scale and instantly emails. So you can just take one video, embed it in your email, and then when you send it to different people, it's going to have their thumbnail. So for example, first name Bethany, you see Hey Bethany here. We could say Kim, and now you see the video thumbnail says Hey Kim. Or we could add Brandon, and now you see Hey Brandon. This is super easy to do. All you do is create your video in Sendspark. So you can either record or upload a video here. If you're uploading an existing video, just click on this upload button and you can upload a new video. Or if you want to record a video of yourself, your screen, or yourself over your screen like I'm doing now, just click start recording. And then once you have the video, you can click into the video you want to use to edit the page. And then here you can add text with the personalized variables. So you're going to see the video preview in the middle of the page, and then you can add your message on the left. So in the header, we have Hey first name, and you can see Hey there. I set the fallback to there. So if the first name isn't in instantly for some reason, it's just going to pull in Hey there. And then I also added some text below the video. Thanks for watching first name. Click the link below to start sending personalized videos at scale. You add the personalization tokens by clicking this personalize button, and you can choose between first name, company name, and job title to pull in. And then of course you can add anything you want for the call to action. You can also edit the preview of the video. So if you're looking here and instantly, that's this thumbnail here. Just by clicking on this edit thumbnail option. And then you can see I also added Hey first name. And this is just another place where you can add personalization. When you're ready to share, click this share video button and it's going to open our share modal. To send the video instantly, you just click on this instantly snippet and copy it to your clipboard. If you don't see it here for whatever reason, just click edit add. And then this is where you add the email platform that you want to send the video in. So you can make sure that instantly is checked, any other platforms you use are checked, and then everything you don't use is unchecked so you don't see it. And once you've copied the instantly snippet to your clipboard, you go over into your instantly email. And I'm going to delete this and reset it up. So let me just remove this. What you want to do, create your email here first, and then click over to code view. And all you want to do is paste it where you want it. So I'm going to delete this break in the last div here, and then paste this in. You can click out of code view to see the preview, and it's going to automatically paste your video pretty large. So if you want to edit this, just click on change size. I usually do 50% width. I think this looks pretty good. So you can just change this, and then you got to move my bubble out of the way. So you can do 50 and then update it, and now you can see it here. Some other things they do that are nice is they have this style. So I like to round the corners so it just looks a little bit nicer. And so this is all you have to do. And you can also edit the email once you've added it in. And to make sure everything looks good, you can just click on this preview option, and this is going to pull it up, and then you're able to add the first name and different variables to see how your video is going to look. If you have any questions at all, please let us know. We're happy to help, and we hope that you see a lot more engagement in your emails for these personalized videos. All right, happy recording.